Hello everyone, myself Professor Amol Mishra, Assistant Professor of Department of Electrical Engineering, SND College of Engineering and Research Center. Today we are discussing on the topic relay, its terminology and definitions. So first, what are relays? Relays are electrical switches that open or close another circuit under certain conditions. Or it is a device designed to initiate isolation of power system or operate indication system on occurrence of fault. The current and voltage are sensed by CT and PT, and from this abnormal condition is detected by relay. The relay then operates, and depending upon the type of fault, it trips the circuit breaker or initiates alarm or indication of fault. The job of making out differences between normal condition and abnormal operating condition is difficult. Example. What is a protective relay? Protective relays are devices which monitor power system conditions and operate to quickly and accurately isolate faults or dangerous conditions. A well-designed protective system can limit damage to equipment as well as minimize the extent of associated service interruption. Relay purpose. What are the purpose of relay? It will isolate controlling circuit from controlled circuit. It will control high voltage system with low voltage. It will control high current system with low current, and it has a logic function. Relays types. The types of relays are follows. First one is the electromagnetic relays. Second one, solid state relays. There is in solid state relay there is no mechanical contact to switch the circuit. The third one is a microprocessor based relays, commonly used in power system monitoring and protection. Advantages of relays: electromagnetic relays, simplicity and non-expensive, not expensive. Second one was solid state relay, no mechanical movements and faster than electromagnetic relays. Then after microprocessor based relay, advantages of microprocessor based relay. It has much higher precision and more reliable and durable. It is capable of both digital and analog input output, but its disadvantage is it has higher cost. The advantages using protective relays for power system. It will detect system failures when they occur and isolate the faulted section from the remaining of the system. It will mitigating the effects of failures after they occur, minimize the risk of fire and danger to personal and other high voltage systems. How a relay works. In this image, we will show that how a relay will work. The components of a power system protection. Power system. First, then again transducer. In transducer, there are use of CT and PT. These devices change the electrical quantities to a level relays can use, that is 5 amperes to 115 volts. Relay decides. Then next one is a relay. It will decide whether the system quantities are normal or abnormal. Brain of the system of protection or protection system's brain. Then circuit breaker. If quantities are normal, there is no signal is sent to circuit breaker. If quantities are abnormal, then signal is sent to circuit breaker to trip. A primary relay. This relay is connected directly in the circuit. Then secondary relay. Relay connected to the protected circuit through CT and VT. VT means voltage transformer or potential transformer. Then auxiliary relay. A relay operates in response to opening or closing of another relay. The auxiliary relay used for to opening or closing of another relay. Then measuring relay. It performs the measurement of normal and abnormal condition in the power system. Then again, electromagnetic relay. It operates on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Then static relay or solid state relay. In this relay, they use diodes, transistor, SCR, or SCR means silicon control rectifiers, logic gates, etc. Static circuit is the measuring circuit and no moving parts, and it has no moving parts. Then microprocessor based relay. All functions of a relay can done by using our microprocessor. Relays are programmable and microprocessor can compare, compute, and send trip signals to the circuit breaker. Then thermal relay. It will operate on the principle of electrothermal effect. Then distance relay. Distance relay measures the impedance or reactance of admittance. Then impedance relay. Relay measures the impedance of the transmission line. Reactance relay. Reactance relay measures the reactance of the transmission line. Overcurrent relay. Relay operates when the current exceeds a preset value. Then under voltage relay. Relay operates when the voltage falls a preset value. Directional relay. Relay able to sense whether the fault lies in forward or reverse direction. Then polarized relay. Relay depends on the direction of the current. A differential relay. It measures the difference between two actual quantities. Earth fault relay. It is used for protection of element of a power system against earth faults. Phase fault relay. It is used for protection of element of a power system against phase fault. Negative sequence relay. Relay uses negative sequence current as its actuating quantity. Zero sequence relay. Relay uses zero sequence current as its actuating quantity.